was popping, everybody? We're back. Better make this shit happen. It's a whole day. I got my first working set in. I'm gonna start like I'm gonna say I don't really gotta record every single set, so I'm gonna just be doing like 2 to 3 sets out of the 4 I usually do. I guess depending on how much sets I'm gonna be doing, right? Like today, I got a pull day, and my shit, I was still sore from my last pull day because that last one was a damn good one, and that time I was going a little bit heavier, but this time since I'm still a little bit beat, I'm just gonna go lighter and just juice myself out as much as I can, because that's all the really shit's about. So starting with these wide grip neutral pull downs, one of my fucking favorites. Like I've said before, I got a good night of sleep and everything, so I'm other than like my soreness, I'm feeling fucking good, y'all. And again, like if a lot of times, like with my clients and everything, like you can just, it's like night and day when you get a good night of sleep and or like when your nutrition's on point, and everything. Because if one of those two are off, for the most part, you're gonna be just beat to hell during your workouts. Because like when I was cutting too aggressively, I was just sometimes just feeling like shit. Like now I'm back to my strict cut, but I am gonna like stick to the dot with my protein and just all my vitamins and minerals that I can get from my fucking veggies and all that. So let's see what we got coming up. We got a first set of these. First working set really. Let's do this shit. Oh yeah, I felt that everywhere. My forearms were on fire. My back was on fire. That's what the hell I'm looking for, y'all, because my forearms are like one of my favorite things to strengthen up, just because, I mean, come on, you got big juicy forearms, you're gonna be looking all the way proportionate with your arms if you got them juiced up too. So let's get it going. I took a good break there because, like I said, I'm sore as a motherfucker and I was still feeling it. I gotta shake it out a little bit, and people be looking at me crazy sometimes because I be in this bitch dancing, I be in this bitch shaking. You gotta let this shit out some way, somehow. You gotta loosen up some way, somehow. So, don't give a fuck what people got to say about you in the gym, y'all. Like, first off, most of the time people don't give a flying fuck what you got going on. They're just paying attention to themselves, and it's either, I mean, I'm not gonna, don't get me wrong. There are some, I mean, a lot of conceited people in this bitch, so I don't give a flying fuck what's going on with you. So let's do this shit. Set 2. Come on. Fuck. Okay. That's how we wrap up a damn good set. Everything is on fire. Oh, almost passed the hell out. Oh yeah. That was a good one. Yeah, one last set coming up. I went up on weight for the last one. I'm not trying to get that much reps. I'm just trying to get as heavy as I can fucking go. Let's see, let's juice this shit out. Come on. Damn, okay. That last rep, I think I'll count it. If I count that last rep, I got 12 of those. And that shit was rough as fuck. I was expecting less reps, but hey, we squeezed those fucking muscles out. We're about to yak. Let's get the next exercise going. Let's do this. Set 1 of some machine rows. Bro, those fucking pull downs took me out. Even if I had that pre-workout in me, I'm still like, damn. Right? Let's see what the fuck we get here, y'all, because my back's on fire. But that's what we're here for, right? Come on. Oh, Lord. I might have overdone myself. Oh, there it is. Woo. Sweet baby Jesus. Okay, I gotta breathe after that one. Yeah, I don't know if you saw, but I was really working on getting that deep ass stretch, guys. If I don't know, Dr. Mike Israel from RP Strength, one of the most badass people in the fitness industry. You should see how that motherfucker does his rows. This motherfucker said, let's everything stretches out as much as you can, and then from there, row it all the way back. But that was a damn good first set. I'm sticking to this weight. Actually, yeah, I think I got 12 of those. That was a good one though. Let's keep it pushing. Ooh, set 2, cause probably gonna record the first 2. I'm gonna skip the third set usually, and then record the last one. I'm just trying to set up a structure for myself. Guys, one thing about trying to get better at anything, a lot of times we need structure. Like, even especially when it comes to working out, when it comes to meeting your goals and all this. Because if you don't have a structure, like now, I used to not have a goal, a timed out goal for when I wanted to hit my goal of 180. But now at the current pace I'm at, I'm hoping to be 180 around August, and that's because actually no, like that'd be kind of if I was taking it easy. If I go real fucking hard like I did 2 months ago, then I can get there by like mid-July. But I'm gonna be a little realistic because I got it's gonna be summer, so it's like I'm gonna be trying to go out, do their thing, trying to go out to eat every once in a while, and it's just like shit just adds up, right? But so by August, I'm planning to be around my goal weight of 180, and from there, I don't know, we'll see what my body composition is looking like, how I'm feeling and all that, and then shit, that's when we'll start to mess around with it again. But again, yeah, structure though, when it comes to nutrition or your body composition, even money, and all these different things, you need some structure in your life, everybody, all right? Because winging it, a lot of times it ain't gonna get you nowhere. Like, you can only go so far winging it, so try to have a plan, you guys. Let's get this shit going. Set 2. Oh, fuck. I tried to take it slow on that last rep, but ooh, my shit was about to fall off. That's how we call a good fucking set. Let's get it. The pump cover ain't coming off today. We're getting it moving to these single arm rear dope flies. Let's see what we got. Oh, yo, I'm fucking dying right now. It's been a damn good fucking workout so far. Let's keep it going, bruh. Oh, like I felt pretty good when I got here, and now I don't feel like I'm dying, bro. Like my fucking getting nauseous, my head starting to bang. I don't know what the fuck's going on actually. Like I didn't do nothing different. I ate. Maybe I didn't eat enough or some shit. I don't know, bro. All I know is that I'm fucking dying, but we still got 2 sets of this. I'm actually supersetting with some bicep curls. I'm not gonna record that bullshit. I'm gonna make this quickly, but I don't even know, bro. Enough bitching. Let's get this shit moving. Oh my. Whew. That's how I fucking feel right now, y'all. But hey, we got one more set. 2 more sets of bicep curls, and I'm out this bitch, y'all. Cause I'm calling it. My body's calling it right now, y'all. Fuck this. We're gonna finish off with a pump check out here. The posing room is being taken advantage of yet again, but let's see what the fuck we got, y'all. We're gonna run right through this before I pass out right here, right now. Like, damn. At some point in time, I'll be getting a posing coach and all that shit lined up. Just cause, as of now, again, like I think I said this before, but I think my I'm gonna aim for my first show to be next year at some point, just because like I got a lot of progress I want to make first. Like I want to build up some fucking muscle, and during these bulking and cutting phases. So we'll see where the fuck we're at next year, y'all. But other than that, thank y'all for tapping in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, órale pues.